OCONEE Unicorn Alert. Immaculate home in the quiet subdivision of Jeffries Walk. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home boasts engineered hardwood floors in the family room, dining room, all bedrooms, hallway and even the closets. Open floor plan with a beautiful color palette of neutral earth tones. The family room features a wood-burning fireplace with a brick hearth as the centerpiece of the room. You will love the flow of this home as the family room opens to a dining room with upscale judges paneling. Off of the dining room is the kitchen. The kitchen opens with an arched doorway and has gorgeous Italian tile. The tile has been laid on an angle for an extra upgrade. The kitchen also features tons of cabinet space and a pantry. On the other side of the home you will find the bedrooms and both bathrooms. The bedrooms are a nice size. The master suite features a tray ceiling, walk-in closet and bathroom. The bathroom has a soaking tub, separate shower, double vanity and tile. The outside of this home is simply fantastic. It has a park-like feel. Part of the 1.53 acres is fenced in. There is also a custom-built retaining wall in the back. The current owner has put down extensive landscape, new septic and HVAC. Call today to see this amazing home and great value in OCONEE.